In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the direction of your mouse scroll wheel whenever you're using it to browse on your Mac. So if you're wondering why when you scroll up, it goes down, and down, it goes up, it's because of something in your settings. So go ahead and open up your system settings by going to the Apple in the upper left-hand corner and then go to System Settings. Go ahead and scroll down on the left sidebar until you see something at the bottom that says Mouse, and go ahead and click into Mouse. Once you're here, you're going to see something that says Natural Scrolling. If this is enabled and over to the right, it's going to be as if you're on a mobile device, like an iPhone. So when you scroll up, it goes down, you scroll down, it goes up. But if we go and we disable that, now if you open up, say, an Apple Note where you're scrolling, if I scroll down, it's going to go the direction that I'm scrolling, as opposed to the opposite or in reverse. Now, when you make this change, if we go back to our settings here and we go to Trackpad, you're going to see that it actually changes this as well. So right where it says scroll and zoom, whenever I change this on one, it's going to change it on the other, as you see here. The only workaround for that is to use a tool like what I have pulled up here. It's called Scroll Reverser. It's an app that reverses the direction of the scrolling with independent settings for both a trackpad, if you're using, say, a MacBook or a MacBook Air or Neo, as opposed to when you connect a mouse, like I have a Logitech mouse connected to my MacBook right now. That's really the only way you can do it. This tool is free. Again, just Google Scroll Reverser, and then it will show up as you see here as Scroll Reverser for macOS, and it works just fine. So just remember, when you're opening those settings, if you change it on the mouse, when you unplug your mouse and are using it on the go, you may be wondering why it was changed on the trackpad as well. Because what feels natural on a trackpad doesn't necessarily feel natural when you're utilizing a mouse. So if that was helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.